Welcome back to Director's Cut, where we celebrate the journey of a director with me, your host, Kabir Bedi. हमारे साथ हैं फरहान अख्तर. Farhan, you take very quick decisions. Are you an impatient man?
Yes, I think I am, yes.
Where does that come from?
I'm not too sure actually where it comes from, but I am, yes.
Since you take quick decisions, have you ever taken a quick decision that you later regretted?
There's not one that I can think of just off the top of my head, but I'm sure there must be. I'm sure there must be. Nothing drastic, otherwise I would have remembered it.
Yes, it would have been traumatic then.
Yes.
कहते हैं आप कॉकरोचेस से बहुत डरते हैं.
Yeah.
क्यों?
Yes. मुझे लगता है कि जहाँ पर मतलब अगर मैं कॉकरोच को देखूं तो that means there's a lot of dirt around and that it's not really fright, it just I don't know, it just makes me feel really dirty.
इसके पीछे कोई बचपन का हादसा?
नहीं, there's no particular हादसा, just I get some genetic.
सो रहे थे और कॉकरोच आपके ऊपर आ गया या?
नहीं, that never. Oh God, no. That's never.
सोचते ही आपको डर लग रहा है?
Yeah, it's never.
So
once मैं गाड़ी में था, luckily I wasn't driving, और मतलब flying cockroach flew in from the window, and the only thing again here, I guess here's one instinctive decision that wasn't very good. I just jumped out of the moving car. Yeah.
तो चोट वोट लगी क्या?
हाँ, absolutely.
और फिर सबको बताया कि कॉकरोच आया कार में और मैं
नहीं, वो बताने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. I was just like,
किसी को बताया नहीं?
We saw a lion.
Lied again.
Yeah.
आप मेरे जैसे कैप्रिकॉर्न हैं.
जी.
आप एस्ट्रोलॉजी पर यकीन करते हैं क्या?
एस्ट्रोलॉजी में तो नहीं करता यकीन, नहीं.
एस्ट्रोलॉजी में नहीं?
नहीं.
किस पर यकीन करते हैं?
I believe in people believing in themselves, you know, and I think अगर आपको लगता है कि you can do something, और अगर आपको लगता है कि you want to do something, then if it is, everything is possible. And I'm a very strong believer in that it's your will that gets you where you want to be.
How much do the opinions of other people affect you?
I listen to everybody. I kind of weigh the pros and cons of what they're saying, and then I decide what I think is best for either the decision that needs to be made or for me.
Let's hear some other voices right now of friends and family.
फरहान बहुत ही शरारती था. वो कहानियां बनाया करता था, कुछ हद तक डेंजरस भी थी. उसका डायरेक्टर बनना तो मैं बिल्कुल मेरे माइंड में नहीं था कि ये डायरेक्टर बन जाएगा, बट हाँ ये मुझे जरूर था कि ये एक्टर बनेगा.
I think Farhan is probably one of the best directors I have worked with, and उनकी सबसे अच्छी खासियत ये है कि वो बहुत मेटिकुलस हैं, बहुत ऑर्गेनाइज्ड हैं. उनको एग्जैक्टली पता है उनको क्या चाहिए, कैसे चाहिए.
एक्चुअली डिसीजंस लेने में काफी प्रॉम्प्ट और फास्ट होते हैं क्योंकि वो खुद ही एक म्यूजिशियन है.
Very versatile director, great temperament, which is a quality which helps him in the field he is in.
फरहान के साथ की जब मैंने दिल चाहता है देखी थी तब I knew कि ये वाकई में बहुत ही talented इंसान है.
He made his first film and he also got married and had a baby in that year. So the growth was a lot. It wasn't just making your first film. In the 3 films that he's made, not only has he tackled 3 completely different genres, but he's done them well.
I want to say that you're probably one of the best directors I have worked with, and I've had a great time working with you, and more than that I've had a great time knowing you.
I guess you're out there on the director's cut right now, and I hope you're rocking because you deserve to. So have fun, and looking forward to working with you again on Rock On. So rock on, buddy.
तो ये सच है जो जोया कह रही थी कि while making your first film आप शादी भी कर रहे थे. All this was happening all at the same time?
Yeah, Shakya, which is my first daughter, she was born on day 7 of the shoot of Dil Chahta Hai.
Wow.
So that's when she was born. So yeah, that year 2000 actually was a very very big year in my life.
Complicated year.
Big year.
लेकिन आपके पेरेंट्स के अलग होने की वजह से आप कभी शादी से डरे तो नहीं?
नहीं, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा. जो Aduna is, I mean, apart from of course the fact that I love her very much, is again somebody who's very understanding of what my life is like. You know, she understands that. I understand. I mean, she's a working person as well. उनके जो salons हैं, she's very busy with them as well. And we realized that within what we are doing, that kind of space is going to be required. That I will need to be taking this much time away from her and from the kids. I do regret it because and especially with the first one, क्योंकि जब, like I said, she was born on day 7. I missed really the first 5-6 months, you know, of her life. Which I'm now fortunately getting to share with the second one.
Right.
Like the kind of attachment that's already happened with my younger daughter is something I missed, you know, that happened then. I used to meet her only on holidays and when they traveled to location when we were shooting. And that really is one of the sadder things in this profession, at least.
How did you meet Odhuna for the first time?
I met Odhuna at a nightclub in Bombay through a common friend. And I was extremely fascinated by her when I met her. She had red hair and was an extremely adventurous sort of girl, was doing cartwheels across the dance floor. And I was like, wow, who's this?
So did you become instant friends for life on the first meeting? Was it love at first sight?
We did become friends, and I think just in terms of at least a romantic interest, I was a lot more keen at that point towards her. She was seeing somebody else at that point, and but fortunately they broke up.
I'm sure you had something to do
Yes,
with it.
no, I had nothing to do with it, but I did celebrate, yes.
Obviously. Be back for more right after this break on Director's Cut on Zoom.